Hi everyone. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art, an art of cooking, power tools, drawing, and much more. Today, I'm cutting up chicken legs to make Jamaican chicken soup with that my Jamaican auntie taught me how to make. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos of me cooking Jamaican chicken, you know that you can see me the way I season that. So I'm not going to season that on here, although just so you see, I'm using the same seasonings of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, thyme leaves, and Maggi powder. So if you want to see that, just go to one of my other videos and you can see how I season it there of the chicken. Now, I don't have a meat cleaver, so I'm using an extremely sharp knife, which you gotta be careful of, and the scissors, so that way I can cut the chicken so it'll be nice pieces for chicken soup. See, it's so sharp it actually cuts through the bone. And it was my American daddy who taught me how to use power tools. He taught me how to saw and drill and all that. And when sawing, he taught me cut away from yourself, not to. And as you can see, just as I'm cutting up the chicken, I cut them up different sizes, different pieces. And we'll make it nice for soup, see? And it was actually my Jamaican auntie was my dad's favorite Jamaican cook. Which is funny because it was my Jamaican cousins who said they always thought my mom was the better cook, which she was, except for the Jamaican food. That's the one area where my aunt was better, which is why after my daddy died, I went from asking my mom how to cook the Jamaican food to asking me auntie. And sadly, she passed too, so I didn't get to learn all of her Jamaican dishes, but I learned how to make many. And for that, auntie, I thank you. And also, daddy, thank you for teaching me how to use power tools. Well, his cousin taught his daughter how to build her house. So, as you can see, I'm going to have to wash this really well. As you can see, here's what some of the pieces look like. And I have to admit, I do like the skin, but you get an idea. So I'm just going to keep cutting up my chicken legs. There's still some chickens on here I can use. But once I have them all cut up, I'm going to wash them really well, season them, and then let them sit for a few hours. I like to do it overnight when I can. And then, by God's grace, I'll be back to cook the Jamaican chicken soup. And by God's grace, you'll be back to watch. So, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much. And I hope you return, not just to see me make the chicken soup when I'm ready, but also other aspects of hybrid Jamaican-American art. Till next time.